Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to be like every other 335i owner and put in these intake air scoops or whatever they call them. I ordered them through Mashimarho, or however you pronounce that, but I believe One Vision is the company who actually makes them. So I know it's a fairly easy process. All you gotta do is take out the grills and then they slip right in. So it should be a fairly short video and really easy install, but we'll see. So first things first, you want to go ahead and pop the hood. Alright, so you legit only need two things. It's just a flathead and then a T30 Torx. So you want to take the T30 and just remove the 4 bolts right here. Got them 4 removed right there. Alright, now that leaves room to reach your hands in here. So what you want to do next is remove the grills out from the bumper, which is just a couple tabs. Alright, so I'm on the GoPro now, so hopefully be able to show you guys these tabs that I'm talking about. You got tab there, 6 tabs on both grills. So all you gotta do is just take a flathead and push them down so that we can pop the grill out. So I'm just using a flathead. So I actually found it much easier just to use my fingers to get the tabs out instead of a flathead. I got these 2 removed, as you guys saw. Now with everything out of the way, we should be able to easily just slide the air scoops in. So the only thing left to do now is to go ahead and pop these little pins out right here on both sides. This one here and this one here. So I'm just gonna use a flathead to poke those out, because the air scoops reuse the OEM hardware and tabs just to fit back in there nicely. Alright, so I'm on the GoPro now. So like I said, just gotta pull these guys out here. Probably actually gonna want a needle nose. Alright, so we got that tab out here. Oh. Alright, so now we got both of the tabs out here. So now all that's left to do is to put these guys in there. Alright, so chances are when you order these, or maybe it was just a one-off time and I got unlucky, but when these came in, the box was pretty beat up and this was bent all the way down to here, and same with this one, this was bent all the way down to here. I mean, it's not like really thick metal, so it's easy just to bend it back with my finger. So if you guys are having fitment issues, just try to bend these to fit it right. I mean, as far as the paint and everything, they are 100% perfect. No scuffs or anything. But that's not the company's fault. That's going to be the shipping company's fault for being uncareful with them. But, you know, shit happens. So all you got to do now is slide these in here like this. So obviously the one that's flared to the left is going to be the passenger side one. So we're going to slide this in here. And this tab that we just removed is going to go in this one. And the T30 bolt that we removed earlier is going to go in this one here. So you just want to try to line up the holes here, and then the exact same thing with this side. T30 goes in here, and the tab goes in here and through here. So I got the tab through here, and then I put the T30 in here. So this is what it's looking like. Looks pretty good. It's a little bit flimsy out on this corner here, so I'm not sure how that's gonna be with the wind. But I mean, the tab's all the way in and this is all the way screwed in there, so I mean, I can't really tighten it any more than it is. I'm sure this is fine if this is how everyone else is running it, but yeah, they look sick though. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get the driver's side one in. You are gonna want like a hammer or something to hit this tab in there. Now you gotta line this up where you can see the hole go all the way through. And then I just finger tighten it so that way it goes through the bumper and everything. Tighten that all the way up, and it's in there. So yeah, they're both bolted in there. Looks good. So now all they're left to do is put in the T30 here, T30 over there, and then throw the grills back in. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the T30s back in there and pop the grills back in, and then it'll all be done. So I got all the bolts back in, so now I'm just gonna clean up all the tools real quick and then probably go to the local elementary school around me just to see how it looks, take a few pictures, and some like a little car montage thing to end off this video, because it's not gonna be a very long one, because that install would literally take 10 minutes if you weren't recording or anything. Alright, so I'm actually just going to go ahead and end the video now, but at the end of this, there will be a little edit of the car and everything that I'll try to make look nice, even though I'm trash at doing that. But and also, me and Hunter started a Instagram for the channel. It's just called HW YouTube. So go follow that. We'll be posting a lot on there and giving updates on when we post on YouTube and all that fun stuff, and just a bunch of car pictures. So make sure to go follow us on there. Yeah, so super easy install. They look sick. The only thing that I noticed is the driver's side one is bent down, and I was looking at a lot of other pictures, and normally they're straight. I'm not sure if that was, if they did it wrong or if it got bent during delivery, but I contacted Mashimarho, or however you say it. I contacted them and they haven't got back to me yet, but we'll see what they say. It would really suck if I have to take them off and send them back. So hopefully if that one is bent, they can just go ahead and send me a new driver's side one, which would be inconvenient and which would suck, but you know, things happen. Yeah, other than that, super easy install. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, like I said, stay for the edit at the end and see how bad I am at doing that. Peace out, catch you on the flip.